Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to find friends on Deezer account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To find friends on Deezer.com account, open up a web browser first. Go to the URL at the top and type in www.deezer.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you're logged into your Deezer account. Now, to find friends on Deezer, go to the search box at the very top and type in the name of the person you are looking for. Once you find the suggestion of the person you are looking for, give it a click and you'll be able to find your friend on Deezer. Simply go to their profile by clicking the profile button at the top right. Select their profile and if you'd like to follow the person, click on follow. But remember that in order to be able to find the person on Deezer, they must have kept their profile public. That is how you can find friends on Deezer account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.